Hi, it's Randy Jameson. I wanted to take a moment to thank you on behalf of the entire Biesse team for visiting us at the booth at AWFS. Revolutionary and award-winning technology Biesse demonstrated shows our desire to bring our customers the tools they need to truly enter the digital market. At Biesse, we strongly believe in creating more efficient and smart factories and making those factories a better place to work.
Our aim is to help our customers to remain competitive, supporting them to create more efficient and smart factories, making factories a better place to work.
Please come see us in one of our campuses and showrooms.
Thank you.